So lower abdomen with the AquaShape liposuction. Most popular area?
Yes, it's the most popular area for guys and girls, for men and women. But here's the thing that's different. With AquaShape, with this water jet liposuction, I'm seeing results in the lower tummy that I never saw before. And so what does that mean? It means that, okay, you have a little lower tummy, fullness, and you want to have better shape. Okay, great, this will work. But what if you've had kids? Let's say you've had kids and you have this sort of fullness in your tummy, but it's not really weakness. Not every woman that has kids has really internal stuff that needs to be fixed. So can you do this type of liposuction even if you've had kids? Yeah, you can.
Okay.
And you can get skin contraction and reduction of the fatty tissue, and you may not have to have a tummy tuck. That's a question that women ask me all the time. I've had kids, do I have to have a tummy tuck? Maybe not. So that's something that I can offer that I could never do before. Before it was like, oh yes, you've had a child, you've had a pregnancy, you have to have a tummy tuck. And that's a question that women are asking all the time. Is there something better? Is there something that you can do to help me where I am? I want a short recovery. I want to have a result that I can see right away, and it takes care of the problem. The best part about AquaShape is that it's less recovery. I mean, for the surgeon, it's fine to have a technique that takes care of the fat, but what about the recovery? That's the weak link. So more people would be excited about doing this if they knew that you could have a recovery where you could drive yourself home, that you could drive the next day, that you could be back taking care of your kids, back to work.
Because you just numb the area. Is that right?
There's two things. One is that you can drive back and forth if you don't have any drugs, if you just numb the area. But even so, even in the patients that have anesthesia, they still drive in the next day because it's a less rough, less traumatic procedure for the body. The next day, almost always, nothing is always, almost always we see almost no bruising and minimal to no swelling. How could that be? Because I understand that this is not the same as doing regular liposuction. It's a different way to do it. That's how we're getting these results. And it's consistent. So what I want for that woman, like with anybody, is predictable recovery and a predictable result.